battery is 242.
What?
Also, his birth year, 42. He's an old guy.
What?
You didn't know?
Yeah. I was born in 1842. I fought for both sides.
What?
You know, in the war.
And he lost every time he fought.
What
for his-
war? What
All of
war? What war was in 1842?
Oh no, I'm talking about World War One.
Oh, that was
World War
like
II.
that was like turn of the century, right? Like 19 something.
Yeah, but I was still alive. I didn't die and come back.
Oh, fair, I guess.
I was only like 90 when that happened. Wait.
No, you'd be like 60 or something.
Hey, buddy.
Right there.
I am Doom Guy.
He's Doom Guy. Doom, 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 doom. Doom, doom, da doom. Oh, fuck. Oh! Like surprising people and shit.
Dun, dun, dun.
Oh. He
Oh,
lost
it's not-
his head.
it's not-
He was
Is it hardcore?
laying in that
Yeah,
fucking
hardcore.
house. Yeah.
Oh!
No, I'm dead.
Got him. Good shot.
Oh shit, I almost killed a teammate. I literally shot on both sides of his shoulders.
Assault rifle marked.
Man, oh my god, the stupid weapon locks. Oh, he's right by it.
Yeah, it'd be nice if you could shut that off.
I just killed Nicki Minaj.
Oh, got him. UAV coming.
Requesting recon flyover.
My house.
Using drift zone.
Oh!
My name's Kevin McAllister.
Kevin!
You know,
That's a
mind
Christmas.
of me, boy.
That's a dude. Get the chainsaw. I surrender. I surrender. I grovel at your feet. No, don't chop me in half. Chainsaw Kun. Ah.
You like the 2D, like fucking, like little.
Yeah. Doesn't even sound good.
No, it's supposed to sound like Doom from back in the
Yeah,
day.
it does kind of. It's got that like 8-bit sound to it.
Yep.
Oh.
Oh, I got a kill with that. He's in the doorway. Behind the van right there. The little doorway to the hall.
I think I got both of them.
Yeah, you got the one that killed me.
Mm-hmm. Nope, there's another one right there.
They killed me out of my house. Watch out, guys.
Hi,
him.
you guys.
All I have is a shotgun and a chainsaw.
Changing back.
Oh way, dude.
Got him.
That fucking
I'm
lick.
sitting at that fucking oh shit. At that fuck. Ooh, double kill.
Loading.
Another one. Just sitting right at this crossroad spot. UAV again.
Done. Requesting recon flyover. Coming.
Cannot believe they didn't see me. Alright. These blueberries were definitely blueberries. Or sorry,
That was
red
definitely all
berries.
blueberries,
Yeah.
Look at him. Look at him.
Fucking
Dude,
Rage
imagine.
isn't even playing. He's just pretending to play,
Yeah.
so we don't know.
Bro, I was just
Getting
in my
ready for
house.
bed.
I was in my house.
he's at his
Where are you?
house.
Yeah.
He's at
Do you
his
jerk off in other places besides your house?
No.
Certainly not schools or churches. Or, I go to court and I jerk it. Okay, I don't even need to go there.
It's a nervous tick, okay?